How to apply Lyft coupons. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to apply Lyft coupons, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto You button at the bottom, right here, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find rewards from the menu. Tap on it. And from here you can see enter code plus right here. Tap on it. Now simply enter your promo code just like this and tap on to apply. Once applied, the promo credit will be added to your account and can be used toward eligible rides. If you have multiple promotions, Lyft will automatically apply the highest value to your ride. You can also manually select which promo to use at the payment screen before confirming your ride. And that's it. This is how you can apply Lyft coupons. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.